Welcome back, friends. Previously we started chapter number 11, that is algebra. And what is algebra? Algebra means it is another branch of mathematics that deal with the letters. Okay, in that we can perform the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of letters also. Letters means that is called variable. Variable, it is like something, that alphabet whose value is not known to us. Whenever some value is not known to us, we use a variable, or you can say neutral value. Okay, so what is variable? And in the previous video we already learned one method in which we are finding the pattern for letter L. Okay, in yesterday we learned that to generate a pattern for L, how many matchsticks are required for one L? That is 2 matchsticks. For 2L we need 4 matchsticks. For 3L we need 6 matchsticks. Means whatever number of times L is required, we need to multiply it with 2. So 2 multiply number of L. So we generalize equation, or you can say generalize algebraic pattern, that is 2L. So number of matchsticks required for letter L is 2L. That we already learned yesterday. N is an example of variable. In previous video we already learned the concept of variable and neutral value. Variable means what? Its value is not fixed. Why? Because for one L we take N as a 1. For 2 we take N as a 2. If we want to find number of matchsticks required for 100 N, then N will be 100. So how many matchsticks are required for 100 L? 2 multiply 100, that is 200. So its value is not fixed. For a different number of times we take different value. It can take any value like 1, 2, 3 to infinite. The word variable means something that can be changed, that can vary. Variable means whose value is not fixed. It can take value 100, it can take value 20, it can take value 6. For example, if we take example of perimeter of square. So for different types of example, side of square is different. It means its value is not fixed. Same if we take perimeter of rectangle, then for a different example, length and breadth are different. So same, it take a different value. The value of variable is not fixed. It can take different values. Clear? Now next, as we learn pattern for L, we can also find the pattern for any another letter. Let's today take one more pattern for letter C. Now to generate letter C with matchstick for a 1C, we can write number of times letter C appear and number of matchsticks. For one time, we need 3 matchsticks. So if we want to write 1 times C, we need 3. For 2 times, this is 1 and this is 2. So for 2 times, we need 6 matchsticks. For 3 times, how many matchsticks are required? You can see 3 plus 3 plus 3, that is 9 matchsticks are required. For 4 times, we need 12 matchsticks. So for 1 time we need 3, for 2 times we need 6, for 3 times we need 9, for 4 times we need 12. Means whatever number of times C appear, we need to multiply with 3. So for 1 time, 1 3s are 3, for 2 times 2 3s are 6, for 3 times 3 3s are 9, for 4 times 4 3s are 12. Same if we want to write one more next pattern. So for 5 times we need 50 matchsticks. For 6 times we need 18 matchsticks. So whatever number of times C will appear, we need to multiply it with 3 to find the number of matchsticks. So we can write in general, number of matchsticks required is equal to 3 multiply number of times number of times C can change for different example. So we take variable 3n, you can say x. So that 3n is our pattern for letter C. You can also find pattern for another letter. For I take C here, you can take H, you can take F. Now let's take one more letter, that is pattern for letter F. So say for letter F, how many matchsticks are required if we generate pattern for F? Then we need 1, 2, 3, 4. To generate letter F, we need 4 matchsticks. So here we can write number of times letter F appear and number of matchsticks. So for one time we need 4 matchsticks. For 2 times we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 matchsticks. For 3 times we need 12 matchsticks. For 4 times we need 16 matchsticks. Same for 5 times we will need 20 matchsticks. Why? Because you can see for 1 time we need 4, for 2 times we need 8, for 3 times we need 4. So number of times F we need required, we need to multiply it with 4. You can see here we use the table of 4. 4 2s are 8, 3 4s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 5 4s are 20. So we can write number of matchsticks is equal to 4 multiplied number of times F appear. So we can say 4 multiply x. You can take another variable 4p. Then it is also 1. So 4p is a pattern for letter F. Now in the homework you need to write pattern for U. You can see here we need 3 matchsticks for triangle and for V. So same like F, C and L, you need to write pattern for U, triangle and V. Clear? Now we can also use this algebra in a general form. For example, if we went to the shopkeeper and we want to buy something. For example, we want to buy a pencil. So if the cost of one pencil is 2 rupees, then what will be the cost of 2 pencils? If you want to buy 2 pencils, then 2 multiply 2, that is 4. You need to pay 4 rupees. If you want to buy 3 pencils, then 2 multiply 3, that is 6 rupees. If you want to buy 10 pencils, then if cost of 1 pencil is 2 rupees, then cost of 10 pencil is 20 rupees. So what is, we are changing the number of pencils and from that we are getting the price we need to pay to the shopkeeper. Okay, so from this situation we can also find the algebraic expression for this situation. For example, buy notebook. Here instead of pencil I am considering notebook. Cost ₹5 for 1. So if we want to find number of notebook and cost, if we want to find buy one notebook, then how much we need to pay? For one notebook we need to pay 5 rupees. If we want to find 2 notebooks, then how much we need to pay? We need to pay 10 rupees. If we want to find 3 notebooks, then we need to pay 15 rupees. If we want to buy 4 notebooks, then we need to pay 20 rupees. Now you can see the number of notebook is multiplied with 5. For 2 notebook, 2 5s are 10. For 3 notebook, 3 5s are 15. For 4 notebook, Same for 3 notebook. We need to multiply 3 with 5, so it is 15. So if we want to find for 20 notebook, 5 multiply 20. Whatever number of notebook we need to multiply it with 5. So we need to pay 100 rupees. Clear? So what will be the general rule for number of notebooks? So number of notebook, cost of notebook will be 5n. That will be general rule for number of notebook. You can find if we take same pencil example. So cost of one pencil is 2 rupees. So how can we write the rule for cost of pencil? If cost for one pencil is 2 rupees and cost for 2, that will be 4. Cost for 3, that will be 6. Means whatever number of pencil we need to multiply with 2. So 2 multiply number of pencils. So we can write 2. That is general rule, or we can say algebraic expression for this situation.